The Austrian Defense Ministry has contracted with Rheinmetall to carry out a comprehensive modernization of its existing Skyguard air defense systems. In the presence of Austrian Minister of Defense Klaudia Tanner, the two parties have now signed the contract for Project Skyguard Next Generation in Vienna. For Rheinmetall, the order represents sales of €532 million, without value-added tax, which can already be booked as an incoming order in December 2023. The contract encompasses a project period of 48 months starting in February 2024. On behalf of Austria, a neighbouring nation and close partner of Germany, Rheinmetall will be conducting one of the most ambitious air defence projects in Europe. For the Austrian Army, the undertaking is an important step in its mission-forward rearmament program to revamp the country's armed forces. Armin Paperger, chairman of the executive board of Rheinmetall AG, welcomed the news. We're delighted by this important market win for Skynex technology. In this flagship project, Austria is at the absolute forefront of anti-aircraft and counter-drone defense in Europe. This major order also highlights Rheinmetall's key role in re-equipping the armed forces of Europe in response to new threats. Our solutions for stationary and mobile air defense are part of this. Skyguard Next Generation belongs to the Skynex family of products from Rheinmetall Air Defense, the global leader in close-range air defense technology. The order package for Austria comprises a total of 7 tactical units, each consisting of 4 35mm guns, a sensor unit for monitoring airspace and a command post. In the process, 28 35mm guns currently in the customer's inventory will be upgraded to the latest state-of-the-art. The contract also includes spare parts, training support and 35mm ammunition. A contractually agreed option for ordering an additional tactical unit exists as well. In the words of Oliver Durr, CEO of Rheinmetall Air Defense AG in Zurich, we greatly appreciate the trust of our friends and partners in Austria. The Austrian Army's decision in favor of Skyguard Next Generation is more than just a quantum leap. It opens the door to a whole dimension in anti-aircraft and counter-drone capabilities. Austria is getting a custom-built, path-breaking solution for close-range air defense. The order is a significant gain for our company, declares Durr, and especially for our Zurich plant, which is responsible for carrying out the project, where it will make a decisive contribution to capacity utilization. The Skyguard Next Generation system is based on existing weapons systems owned by the Austrian Army. As part of a service life extension program, its existing 35mm Oerlikon twin guns will be completely modernized and linked to a high-performance target tracking capability and Rheinmetall's Skymaster command system. Extraordinarily high-precision sensors make it possible to detect and identify aerial targets at an early stage. The command system lets the operator build up a local picture, evaluate the threat situation and, in close coordination with high-echelon elements, open fire. Guided missiles can also be incorporated into the system. The complete system is highly mobile, assuring maximum efficiency during military planning. The guns can be dismounted and/or operated remotely, keeping troops well out of harm's way while simultaneously improving combat effectiveness. Cannon-based air defense solutions from the Skynex family of products are especially appropriate for short-range operations, where guided missiles cannot be used effectively. The Skynex system encompasses airspace surveillance, a weapon engagement center, and effectors. Featuring a rate of fire of 1,000 rounds per minute and a maximum effective range of up to 4,000 meters, Oerlikon rapid-fire automatic cannons serve as the effectors. The success of the aging 35mm Gepard anti-aircraft tank in Ukraine underscores the effectiveness of cannon-based encountering aerial targets, especially cruise missiles and drones, and the continuing relevance of this capability today in close-range air defense. Compared with the Gepard, however, Skynex offers a generational leap in terms of sensor technology as well as the possibility of networked application of multiple tactical units and inclusion in higher echelon command and control systems. Moreover, using Rheinmetall's programmable 35mm ahead ammunition gives Skynex a unique edge when it comes to successfully combating aerial targets.